So in part 2 of the hood, we are now going to start drafting it. We've already drawn some lines on. Now, the first line coming up here is the head height. That's the 15 centimetres. The height from the top of the head to the neck. And then I have squared across. And I have brought in the ear to ear height, which is about 12 centimetres. So these are guidelines at the moment. And then you can see that this measurement here, between these two parallel lines, is 3 centimetres. And that those 3 centimetres is the neck drop. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw in the new neckline for this. So it's a bit like a one-piece or two-piece collar in many senses. I've already got my right angles here, and for about 1 centimetre, so between here and here, I'm keeping that at a right angle. So that's 1 centimetre. Now remember, our neck point to centre front plus the wrap was 7. So that's 1, and we have an additional 6 to go. So placing, let's just move this, moving the ruler onto this line, we've got 6, and we're going to pivot until the 6 lands on the blue line. So we get that is 1 and that's 6, so that equals 7. So that's the beginning of that. So we've done that one, we've done that one, we've done that one, and we've just done that one. So that leaves 4 centimetres from the neck point to the centre back. And that will come across from there at 4 centimetres. So let's annotate that. Neck point, centre back. That's 4 centimetres between those 2 points. And the next thing that we want to do is we want to complete that square, squaring up. So you can see that we are not hitting that point, and that is to be expected. What we want to introduce is a curve to the back of the head. So we'll use this extra space for that. The other thing to consider to do now at this point is to come along here and just grade that line in so it has a curve. So now would be a good time to just measure that and check that is the half neck line measurement. So between here and here is about 12. So we will take the halfway point here and we will join these 2 points together so we make a little oblong. So we get an extra shape in there. So that's the centre back. And then we've got this extra piece here. What we want to do is we want to come up from the centre back and keep coming up approximately 1/3 of the way up, something like that, and then start bringing out a graded curved line very gently into there. So if you feel the back of your head, or if you feel up from the top bone on your spine and you bring your hand up the back of your head, you can kind of feel it curving out. And that's what that's kind of imitating. So I'll just shade that in. Might go a little bit above, something like that. It's very gentle. So that gives us the basic bit of our hood. And the next bit will be creating the top panel.